Hello, my name is 𝗥𝗶𝘀𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗧. I just completed my yoga training at this beautiful school, Vinyasa Yogashala, and it was a nice journey. I got to improve my yoga training skills, and yeah, so this was my second yoga training. I did my first yoga training about 2.5 years ago, and I just wanted to go deeper into my practice, and I found this school online and gave it a try, and I do feel like after 25 days I have improved as a yoga trainer, a yoga teacher, and I'm looking forward to what's coming after this, and I really wish everyone that is involved in this school like the best wishes, like beautiful people, beautiful family, happy times. Had a really nice group of students, made some really beautiful connections, and Rishikesh, it's a good place for yoga training. So if you're thinking about coming to Rishikesh and do a yoga training, this might be the place for you.